3 seconds. A kite is an unpowered, heavier than air flying device held to the earth by a line. The kite flies because wind resistance causes the air pressure under the kite to be greater than the air pressure above the kite, making the kite rise. The word kite is derived from the name of a type of bird belonging to the hawk family, which is known for its graceful soaring flight. A kite consists of three basic parts: the body, the line, and the bridle that attaches the line to the body. To enable the user to control the movement of the kite, the bridle must be attached to the body of the kite in at least two places. European kites existed in a variety of shapes ranging from lozenges to rectangles. They all required tails for stability, and many homemade kites still have such tails. Commercial kites are usually made in such a way that no tail is required. The first step in the quality control of kite manufacturing is inspection of the nylon fabric. It must be free from holes and tears which would damage the ability of the kite to stay aloft. After it is cut, the fabric is inspected to ensure that all pieces have been cut to the proper size and shape. Experienced sewing machine operators inspect the kite at every step of the sewing to make sure that the stitching is even and strong. The history of kites is very old. They were first developed in China more than 2000 years ago using silk cloth and bamboo sticks. Gradually, the knowledge of kite making spread to Japan, Korea, India, and later to Europe. In ancient times, kites were used not only for entertainment but also for scientific and military purposes, such as sending messages, measuring distances, and even lifting men into the air. In some Asian countries, kite flying became part of cultural festivals and traditions. In the modern world, kites are no longer just simple toys. They are used in sports such as kiteboarding, land kitting, and snow kitting. Large power kites are strong enough to pull a person across water or ice. Kites are also used for aerial photography, where a small cameras are attached to capture landscapes from above. Scientists and engineers are even working on projects to use huge kites for generating electricity from high altitude winds. Thus, the kite remains a fascinating invention combining fun, culture, and science.